In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your YouTube account. So first, let's open up YouTube and then click on your profile at the bottom. Then click on Accounts at the top left. And over here, click on Manage your Google account. And then click on Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down until you see Remove data from services you no longer use. And then over here, you just want to put in your password. So I'm just going to do this. And there we go. And over here, you'll see YouTube in one of these lists of services. So just click on the trash can icon next to it. And then you'll have two options, hide it or permanently delete content. What you want is permanently delete content. So just click on that, and then after you check both of these boxes and then click delete my content, it's going to be fully deleted. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.